In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section to your website in Wix Studio. Whether you're running a small business, managing a blog, or creating any type of website, having a well-organized FAQ section can be a game changer. It allows you to address your visitors' most common questions up front, saving you time and improving the user experience. Plus, adding an FAQ section in Wix Studio is incredibly simple and requires no technical skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional FAQ section ready to go, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and log in to your Wix account. This is your starting point for making any changes to your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account under the My Sites section. From here, locate the website you want to edit and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you directly into the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Wix Editor, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several tools and options here, and among them is a search bar. Go ahead and click on that search bar to activate it. This tool is incredibly handy for quickly finding features or elements that you want to add to your website. Next, type the word FAQ into the search bar and press Enter. This will pull up all the relevant options related to FAQ sections within Wix Studio. Among the results, you should see an option labeled Wix FAQ. Click on this option to proceed. Once you've selected Wix FAQ, you'll see a button that says Add to Site. Click on this button, and just like that, a pre-designed FAQ section will be added to your page. Wix provides a professional and visually appealing template for your FAQ section, so most of the design work is already done for you. All you need to do now is customize it to suit your content. To start customizing, look for the Manage FAQs button or link. Clicking this will open up the FAQ management interface, where you can add, edit, or delete questions and answers. This is where you'll build out the actual content for your FAQ section. At this point, click on the Add New button within the FAQ Manager. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled FAQ. This will allow you to input your first question and answer. In the question field, type out the first question you want to include in your FAQ section. Keep your questions clear and concise so that they're easy for your visitors to understand. After entering your question, move on to the answer field and type in the corresponding answer. Be as detailed as necessary to fully address the question, but try to keep your answers straightforward and to the point. Once you've added your first question and answer pair, you can continue to build out your FAQ section by repeating the same process. Simply click Add New, select FAQ, and then type in your next question and answer. You can add as many questions as you need, so take your time and think about what your visitors are most likely to ask. When you've finished adding all your questions and answers, don't forget to save your work. At the top or bottom of the FAQ management interface, you'll see a Save button. Click on it to ensure all your changes are recorded and updated on your live website. Saving your changes is an important step, as it guarantees that your new FAQ section will appear just as you've customized it. And that's it. You now have a fully functional FAQ section on your Wix website. By following these steps, you've created a space where your visitors can quickly find answers to their most pressing questions, making their experience smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.